Just a dot on the map between the cows and the corn. Just a little south of nowhere was my front door. My family ran a 5 and dime on the corner of 3rd and Main. Well, life moved slow in that sleepy town. The streets rolled up when the sun went down. My big dreams didn't fit in a place that small. So I moved to the city and ran that race. It didn't take long to feel out of place. Had to get back home